NewsWhip Analytics also includes a couple of different legacy dashboard options. From the home screen, under Create a New Dashboard, click on the Legacy Dashboard option. Here you'll find our Instagram accounts and Instagram hashtags dashboards. Both of these have data from 2015 to May 7th, 2018. Let's start with creating a dashboard for Instagram accounts. The first thing I'm going to do is name my dashboard, Instagram Reebok. In the next section, I'm going to add the Instagram accounts I like to compare. So in this case, I'm going to start typing in Reebok, select Reebok directly from the dropdown. Next, I'm going to choose Nike to run a competitive analysis of these two specific Instagram accounts. If you'd also like to search for a keyword on these accounts, click on the Add Filters link next to the account name. Use either the query builder or the Boolean search to add the keyword or keywords that you're looking for. If there are specific keywords that you are looking for across all of the accounts that you've selected, utilize the keyword option under the Filter All Accounts By section of this form. Again, you can use the query builder or Boolean search to enter in your keywords. Make sure you update the time zone so the date and time posted corresponds with your location. And then select Create Dashboard. Again, due to the data restrictions here, I am going to update the time range. Let's choose March of 2018 and then click Apply. Now my dashboard is reloading. If at any time you need to make updates such as adding or removing accounts or revising keyword searches, click on the Edit Dashboard in the upper right of the screen to make those changes. At the top, you'll see the breakdown of post count, average interactions, and total interactions for each of the Instagram accounts we've selected. Beneath that is a breakout of post type. So for each account, I can really dive into which post types work the best. I can look at photos, videos, or carousel posts and the total interactions. I can also sort the table by average interactions or post count. You can even sort by interaction type, such as all, likes, or comments. Anytime you see this symbol in the upper right, you can export the data. Click on the symbol to see your export options. Beneath this is the overtime comparison chart. So again, looking at the Reebok and Nike Instagram posts over time, you can look at the total, average, or post count. You can also pull out specific post types and interaction types. Clicking directly on the graph will pop out the content panel to the right. You can click on a spike, for example, or you can select a time frame by clicking your mouse, dragging, and then releasing. And now it's going to pop out the content panel with this specific time frame on the right. Scroll down further and you'll also find the posted and interactions for images, videos, and carousel posts. Taking a look again at the content panel on the right, clicking it once will pop it out, and then clicking it twice will fully expand the panel and you'll be able to see more data for the likes, comments, and total. Clicking on the headline will take you to the post itself, and of course you can export this data using the export button in the upper right. So that is how you would create an Instagram account dashboard. Let's click back to the main screen by selecting Dashboards in the upper left. Click again on Legacy Dashboards, and this time let's select the Instagram hashtags option. So here I'm going to name my dashboard Instagram Reebok hashtags, and I'm going to enter in the hashtags that I would like to compare. Hashtag Reebok, and let's compare to hashtag Nike. Again, I can enter in additional filters the same as before, either using the add filters for each particular hashtag or filter all searches by keywords. And I definitely want to make sure to update my time zone. So once again, I'm going to select the Eastern time zone and hit Create Dashboard. Due to the date range, I am going to choose a custom date range, selecting the custom date range option here. And I'd like to go back to January of 2018 through, let's do March of 2018, and click Apply. When the dashboard loads, you're going to see the hashtag breakdown with the post count, average, and total interactions. And then here, the post type breakdown. Same as before when I was looking at specific Instagram accounts. Now I'm looking at hashtags and digging into which types of posts work best for each hashtag. So I'm going to switch this over to average interactions, and I can see at a quick glance that on average, hashtag Nike posts that are videos get the most engagement. Beneath that, we have our overtime comparison chart. And again, you can choose how you want to view the chart, the post type, and the interaction type. And then same as before, we have our image breakdown, our video breakdown, showing again posted and interactions, and the carousel breakdown. Clicking on the content panel to the right will pop out again to see the content, post type, likes, comments, and total. Clicking on the link to see the post itself. Another way that you can view this data is if you scroll back to the top and click on Leaderboard. So now we're going to be able to see the Instagram accounts getting the most engagement for the hashtags I've selected. You can also click on the interaction type if there's a specific interaction that you'd like to filter by, as well as a specific post that you are looking to filter by. So here I'm sorting by total interactions, and I can see that this account has 49 posts for the hashtag Nike, and on average they have over 427,000 interactions. Clicking directly on this line, the content panel will pop out to the right, and I can see more about these specific posts. And that's it. That's how you create a hashtags dashboard for Instagram. Essentially, this type of dashboard will help you understand which hashtags are working the best. If you have a list of hashtags you're considering, this type of analysis would be helpful in making a determination on which hashtag to go with, as well as the post types that have historically worked the best.